Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to set up a continuous deployment pipeline in AWS using AWS pipeline. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Well, if you will log on to the portal, and you have to log on to the AWS Elastic Beanstalk console. If you not directly log on to this, make sure that under services you type in Elastic Beanstalk. Then you will be redirected to the service console of this feature. Okay, alright. Elastic Beanstalk would help us to deploy, monitor and scale an application quickly and easily. It will do the heavy lifting for us so that we do not have to go to create an EC2 instance, launch an application on that. It'll just help us create a web app without worrying about the server. So let me just click on get started. Okay, application name is Test AWS Pipeline Lab, and I want to select PHP. It is a simple application. Click on create application. It is the creating environment. Here you see your create environment is starting. It will take a few minutes and it will deploy everything on its own. Let me just pause the video and come back when it completes. See, this Elastic Beanstalk would automatically create an Elastic IP for me. It has already created the security group for me. It has created an Amazon S3 bucket for me on its own by the name of this. After the completion of that step, you see that environment health has transitioned. It has successfully launched our environment with the name. It has the environment app available at this URL. It has added an instance and it has added the security group Elastic IP. So if you'll browse this link, you will see this. Okay, so this is how you create a PHP environment. If you are a PHP developer, you will only have to deploy the code and you are up and running. Alrighty, now we'll go to this link, and this link to deploy the code to this application. I will click on this zip file, raw. I'll save it. Pipeline. I save it. I'll open it. Here it is. Now I will go to my S3 section to create an Amazon S3 bucket. Make sure I'll be in the northern Virginia, though it will be a global region, but I will have to create a bucket in the northern Virginia region. There's a reason behind it. Create a bucket, give it a name, test UC northern Virginia. Click on next. Next, let's keep everything else default. Create a bucket. Bucket is ready. Now let's enable the versioning on this. Click on overview, click on properties, enable versioning, click on save. So we have created a bucket named Test AWS Pipeline Lab, and then we have enabled the versioning. Now I will upload the code, the zip file that I downloaded. Here it is. Next, upload. I've gone with the default options. Here it is. I've uploaded my code zip file onto the bucket. After it is done, I will go to my code pipeline. Release software using continuous delivery. I will go to my code pipeline console in the AWS. I'll click on my create pipeline. Pipeline name, test AWS pipeline role. I'll create the role itself. Okay, the source provider is my Amazon S3 bucket. Remember, the code that is in my Amazon S3 bucket. So my name, my bucket is this. Test AWS Pipeline Lab environment. There it is. Okay, I'm sorry. The place where it asks for the object key. You'll click on the object. Click on the folder. This. and this is the object URL, is the object key or this. So go here, go here. You can enable the CloudWatch events, but I'm going to go with the AWS code pipeline. Click on next. Build provider. So let's use AWS code build. So build would be code build or Jenkins is where your code is committed and there are performance tests being run to make a build, and the testing is run to deploy on your staging on your production environment. And you can skip this build stage as well. In the deploy provider, I forgot to mention this part. In the deploy provider, you'll have to select Elastic Beanstalk on which this will be deployed. Your application name is this that we created. Environment name is this. So if you would go under here, here, this is how you do it. So click on next. Now click on create pipeline. So here you see the deployment is in progress. It's deploying. So when you'll refresh this page, we'll see something else. Deployment is succeeded. Let me refresh it. So after we have deployed the code, it is here. Alrighty. Let me just make a change in that folder and see what happens. It says, congratulations, you have blah, 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 blah. I'm changing the index.html page. Congratulations. Many congratulations. Save, exit. Welcome to my S3. I'll come here. I enable the versioning, remember, so I will upload that file again. Upload. It will upload it with this file. Okay, I shouldn't have uploaded it. I just would have replaced the index.html. Let me just delete this part. This is left. Go to my code pipeline. I'll do release change. Most recent change in the location configured to your source actions. I will do OK. It is picking up the change from the S3 bucket. Failed. Why? Oh, okay. I'll have to change it. Give me a minute. It is succeeded now. It is deploying it to it now. Remember, I changed it to many congratulations. See it? Let me refresh it. This is how it works. I don't know why it is not coming. Maybe I changed with the folder permission, but this is how you do it. So I hope this was clear to all of you guys. And if you like the video, please do not forget to like and share this video. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.